Welcome to another video. It's Brian again of Kid and Dad Motovlog, and for today's video, let's switch into tech review naman. Ayan, so medyo matagal-tagal na rin tayong hindi nakapag tech review, and this time around, we are gonna unbox a very particular earbud TWS. It's a wireless device, a wireless earphone, and ayan, nabili namin to sa Sam Audio. Sam Audio is located inside Simlim Square, which is matatagpuan sa Bencoolen Street around the Bugis area. Ayan, so this one is for kid. Ayan, hindi po para sa akin kasi meron na po akong TWS. So yan, para kay kid po itong TWS na ito. And ayun nga, let's jump into the specs of this TWS. Yan. So this one is, it's a Moondrop. Yan po yung kanyang brand, Moondrop, and ang kanyang model name is yung Space Travel. Yan. Alright, so before we go to the specifications or kanyang technical specs, let's unbox it very quick. Okay, so let's go. Yan. So kung makikita nyo, very simple yung kanyang packaging. However, napaka eye-catchy niya kasi hindi siya the normal packaging na makikita natin, which is balut yung kanyang harapan. So this one, right away, transparent yung kanyang packaging. So right away makikita nyo kagad yung product or yung TWS or yung earphone dun sa loob ng packaging. Yan. And with this Space Travel branding sa harapan. So, ayan, bubungad po sa atin, may plastic pa rin po, may isa pang plastic sa harapan niya, which is parang yung pinaka-takip ng packaging. Ayan. And right away, makikita na po natin yung kanyang mismong charging case at yung kanyang earphone or earbud. Ayan, so makikita nyo umilaw na kagad siya. We're not sure bakit po umilaw na kagad siya. Ayan, however, ayun nga, umilaw na po kagad siya. And naka-plastic pa siya, naka-seal pa siya. Ayan, naka-seal pa tong bandang ibabaw. Okay, so ito, ipipil na po natin yung kanyang plastic para po makita na natin yung mismong product. Ayan. Okay, so right away, napakaganda po niya, no? Napaka-premium niya, and you wouldn't anticipate na yung pricing niya. Pag sinabi ko, you wouldn't even anticipate na ganun yung price niya for this entire product, for this entire model, kasi napaka-premium po nung itsura niya. Ayan, sobrang ganda po niya. However, ang nakikita kong drawback lang dito, no, ngayon pa lang po, is yung kanyang transparent na case. This one is gonna be very prone to scratches. Ayan, kasi napaka kintab niya. So if may mabibili po kayong case ng ganito, better yet buy one, kasi in the long run sobrang sasuffer po itong part na to, itong makintab na transparent na plastic na ito. Yan. So, hugutin natin yung kanyang, may isa pang seal. Ayan, meron pang seal sa ibabaw. So, napakarami pala ng, nito, ng kanyang plastic seals. Ayan. Ayan, Alright. So, ito na. Bubungad na sa atin yung ating space travel na earphone or TWS. Ayan. So, right away, makikita nyo po na napaka-solid din po nung kanyang itsura. Napaka-solid din po nung kanyang itsura. And, yan, makikita nyo po yung kanyang logo, which says space travel. Ayan. And andito po yung kanyang indicator kung anong side po ng inyong tenga. So this one is the right side. Okay. And looking like a very regular ear tips, rubber ear tips. Ayan. So pwede nyo naman pong palitan nito depende sa size ng inyong tenga. Titingnan din po natin kung may mga spare tips po na nandun sa loob. May box pa kasi na maliit doon. And for sure po meron siyang mga kasamang spare tips. Ayan. And yung kanyang air vent. Ayan. And it looks like parang yung mga typical na TWS na makikita natin sa market ngayon. Ang nagpa-stand out lang sa kanya is yung kanyang kulay. This one is not white. Sa actual po, it's like a cream white. Ayan. Cream white po siya. Tapos andun yung contact ng charging niya, yung charging pins niya. Alright, so that's about it. Tingnan naman natin yung casing. Ayan, so yung casing may ilaw nga siya dito. I'm still not sure kung para sa yung indicator light na yan. Maybe it says something about kung nagcha-charge or kung low bat or kung ilang percent yung battery. Titingnan natin, pag-aaralan pa po natin yan. And we'll have another separate review for long-term use after we have been testing this one na. Yan. And sa ilalim, ayan, may mga info po siya. Ayan. And Type-C po. Yan. Sobrang ganda na niya kasi Type-C. Type-C na po yung kanyang charging port. Ayan. And sa sides, ayan. Andun yung kanyang branding, Moondrop. Ayan. Alright, so punta naman po tayo sa kanyang box kasi may isa pang box na nandito, no? Maybe nandito yung mga spare tips at yung mga charging cable niya. Ayan. So, ayan po. It says space travel with some Chinese letters and Moondrop na kanyang brand. So, buksan na po natin. Ayan. So, hindi po dito yung bukasan. Ayan. Ano lang po siya. Parang kapitan lang siya para mailabas nyo siya from the original box. Alright, so we have the USB Type-C and USB A to Type-C. And then yan. So, ayun na nga, may mga spare tips po siya. So, you can customize the ear tips depending on your comfort level or yung inyong mga size ng ear canals. So, this one is already 5.3 Bluetooth version. Ayan. And, ang mga supported protocols po niya or yung mga codecs po niya is A2DP and then AVRCP, HFP, HSP, SBC at AAC. Yan. So napakarami na pong codecs na kanyang sinusupport. So I don't think magkakaroon po kayo ng problema pairing this one or having the parang compatibility sa inyong mga phones or inyong mga yan. So I don't think magkakaroon po kayo ng mga compatibility issues sa inyong mga phones or inyong mga tablets or whichever platform or equipment you are going to connect this to. Yan. And yun nga po, ang kanyang charging port ay Type-C na rin. So napakaganda, no? Very modern na siya. I've had some TWS's na type B pa. So yan, sobrang gandang addition sa sa model na ito. Alright, working distance naman po 10 meters. So medyo malayo-layo na rin po yan, no? Sobrang gandang specs na rin for this price range. Sasabihin po natin yung price niya at the latter part of this video. Ayan, and support systems po niya, Bluetooth devices and mobile phones. Ayan, so anything that has Bluetooth connection or any mobile phone will certainly work with this model. And earphone charging time, it takes about 1 hour. Ayan, for the earphone, yan, it takes 1 hour to fully charge one or a pair of the earphone. And then charging time naman po ng case will take about 1.5 hours. Ayan. Alright, and battery capacity po of a charging case, it's 3.7 volts, 380 milliamperes. Yan. So not that impressive, pero yun nga po sa price range niya, napaka solid na po nito, no? Alright, so ang charge naman po ng bawat earphones ay 4 hours. Ayan, fully charged po will give you 4 hours of usage sa bawat charge ng earphones. And yung case naman po has 12 hours of charge. Yan. So it's gonna give you 4 plus 12 hours. However, in real life scenario, since I've used a lot of TWS's na rin po, it's gonna go down to the estimated time na nasa paper. Yan. So if 4 hours po per complete charge ng earphone yung itatagal niya, siguro I'd say, lalo na if lagi kang full volume makinig, it's gonna be roughly 2 to 3 hours yan per complete charge ng earphones. And yung case naman po siguro mga 10 hours ang maiibigay na additional charge niyan sa inyong mga earphones. Ayan. Okay, so punta naman po tayo sa kanyang pros and cons bago po natin i-reveal yung kanyang price, no? So pros po, really affordable. Yan. So sasabihin po natin at the end of this video kung magkano po yung kanyang price. But all I can say is this one is really a bang for buck. Yan. Sobrang affordable po nitong TWS na ito for all the specs and the build quality. Ayan. Number 2, yun nga po yung build quality and material. Sobrang solid po. If makikita nyo po siya sa actual, it doesn't show any signs of being cheap. Yan. So, actually magugulat nga kayo pag sinabi ko kung magkano itong TWS na ito. Number 3, fancy charging case. Yan, nabanggit na rin po natin, napaka unique po nung kanyang design. Ayan, and first time kong nakakita ng ganitong klaseng design sa TWS. So napakaganda niya, napakasarap niya sa mata. This one, ang ganda ng pagkakakulay, hindi siya white. Instead, it's like a cream white. So napaka solid po nung pagkaka-design dito. Ayan. Number 4 sets of tips. Yan. So may additional siya mga tips inside the box, so you don't have to buy one if say for example hindi kasya sa tenga nyo or hindi kayo comfortable do sa included na ear tips. And number 5, mild V shape. Ayan, so kung meron po kayong knowledge about audiophile terminologies, V shape po is yun nga, V shape yung sound signature niya. So normally V shape po, parang yun yung standard or yun yung parang balance na SQ or sound quality or sound signature ng mga audio equipment like earphones, headphones, and TWS. So napakaganda po niya, and it caters to the major listeners. Yan, V-shape is like halos lahat po magugustuhan yung yan sound signature na yan, yung EQ na yan. Okay, and number 6, ANC works pretty well. So ayan nga, na-try na po natin ito, and yung kanyang active noise cancelling is for the price is solid po. Yan, hindi siya ganun kaganda if you're gonna compare it to some flagship level TWS or earphones like yung mga Sony MX5, yung Soundcore Liberty series. Medyo malayo siya, no? However, for the price range, wala akong masabi sa kanya, sobrang solid ng ANC niya. Yan. Number 7, good tonality. Number 8, yun, crazy app with support with EQ. Yan. So you can download an app that will help you control, yan, nitpick yung mga EQ niya. Kayo magse-set, you can choose whatever sound signature you want para ma-fit po yung inyong listening preference, no? Ayan, so napakaganda po niya. Mamaya itatry din natin yung kanyang EQ, papakita rin natin sa video. Nice bass, yan. So this is a dual dynamic driver, so I'm not surprised na maganda yung bato ng kanyang lows, no? So maganda yung bass. So for bass heads, hindi naman po kayo mabibitin sa kanya. Ayan, and next one, game mode for low latency. Yan, so napakaganda po nito sa mga nagge-games po, sa mga gamers, since low latency na po siya, and hindi po kayo magkakaroon ng, hindi nyo mapapansin yung latency in between din sa pagkakabato ng signal from your phones to the sound output. Yan, napakaganda po niya. Three different modes. Meron po siyang normal, may ANC, and may transparency. So yan, for the price po, sobrang solid po niya, no? Kasi you wouldn't find these features normally sa ganitong price range. Okay, and last but not least, for our pro, customized prompt voices. Yan. So, anime girl voice po yung nagsasalita po every time na may mga prompt po siya, like low bats or siguro yung volume or yung mga next, pag nag-next song po kayo. I'm still not sure about the complete features about the voice prompt, pero itatry din po natin yan. And punta naman po tayo sa cons. Ayan. Number 1 cons po ay tricky charging case. Yan. So, para sa akin, no, hindi naman siya ganun ka-tricky, pero siguro do sa mga sobrang newbie or sobrang beginner sa mga TWS, you might find it a bit tricky to charge yung earphone or para ibalik yung kanyang earphone do sa case. Yan. Not the best tips. So if meron po kayong tips na ginagamit na maganda, better replace it with those, kasi hindi po ganun kaganda yung quality ng kanyang ear tips. Yan. Not a major thing to complain about, and not a turning point para hindi mo bilhin yung earphones or yung TWS na ito. Battery life average for the price, ayan, For the price, well, I can say sobrang solid na nung battery life niya. Pero if we're not going to talk about the price, if we're just gonna compare it with other TWS, medyo so-so lang yung kanyang battery life. And yung kanya namang codec or yung kanyang compatibility, AAC and SBC lang. So wala pa po itong support sa aptX, aptX. Yan, so not a letdown pa rin for considering the price. And last but not the least, no IPX certification. Yan, so you have to be careful with this one, lalo na if umuulan and gagamitin nyo siya. Better not use it pag umuulan kasi wala po siyang water resistance certification. So it might damage the unit if let's say for example ginamit nyo habang umuulan. Yan. Alright, so that's about it. Before po tayo mag-end, sabihin na po natin, i-reveal na po natin yung kanyang price. So, we bought this one for 35.99 Singaporean dollar. So, in peso po siguro, it's gonna go roughly about 1,400. Yan, sa Philippine money, sa Philippine peso. Ayan. Okay? So, ayun lang po. For questions or for clarification, if may mga tanong po kayo, please hit the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer your questions. Alright, so yun lang po. It's Kirendad Motovlog again. This is Brian. Thank you so much po sa mga nanood and see you in the next video. Peace. Love you.